Alright, I marked the brown wire with some duct tape, and these are the ones that are with the brown duct tape. It's going to be this wire here, which is going to be the feed for a white and a red. White and red. So the red one goes to where this blue one is. And the white one, it's the red one. Then the white one goes to the common 24 volt. Okay, so I'm going to move them ones now. Alright, and that's the one that I hook the duct tape to. Put that out the way. And then the other one, this is the sequence: red, blue, white, green. And we'll move those ones. This board got wet. Okay, so there's that. Pull those out. Out of the way. If they would like to work with me today. There we go. So those are up out of the way now. And on to the rest. We got two wires here, blue and red, that just push on to section 1 and section 2. Let me readjust, I'm sorry. Alright. Already removed this clip. Just goes in there, 3-plug. Push on these. Pull it out, wiggle it. Okay. So I'm gonna go set this on my knee because I don't have anything with me to set it on. And we're going to start with the blue and the red, taking them off. Just pull them up, wiggle them up. There's the first one. And the second one. They're a little stuck. Set this up here like this. Alright, that's the red one. So those two, I'm going to put some gray tape on them so I know they are together. So red and blue are for section 1 and 2. So I just put a little tape on them like this, just so I know section 1 and 2 are Alright, so set those ones over out the way. Now we're going to go on to the whites. Two white ones. One is red, has a red tip on it, and it's a smaller wire. And the other one is a blue tip, and it is a fatter wire in conjunction with this black wire. So these two I'm going to tape together once I get them off. Alright, that one. And that one. Just going to put a little tape on them. Just to try to keep the orientation of them. Just a little easier on installation if you don't finish it today. Come back and you can pretty much know where your wiring goes. Okay, pull that one up out of the way. Like so. And then there's a big white one with a red. Then there's a small white one and another small white one. And these ones actually say 14 on it and 13. So 14 and 13. You can start seeing the condensation and corrosion right there. So 14, 13. Bigger white one with the red clip. And these are on there. Might need to lift up on that little tab. This isn't going to do it. Try the flathead underneath it. Yeah, this thing does not want to let go. Push it down a little bit. There we go. That was 14. Now on to 13. Try to wiggle it down first before you pull up. Seems to be helping a little bit to loosen it. I'm not a technician. Grab these pliers so I can hardly get my fingers in there. Okay, got that one. So, I'm going to take these ones in conjunction with each other, like so, from the front to the back. Alright, on to the next ones. It's gonna be over here. Okay, we got M, and that's gonna be orange, red, blue, going to the right. All big ones. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, I got the orange one off. Red. There's a blue. There's the blue one. Goes on the end. Down here on the side. And then yellow. Right behind the M. Alright. Now that the M ones are off, red, blue, orange, and yellow. Pull them out to the side. Those are all big ones, so I can remember where them go. Alright, then we have a black one on the end. Black. Okay, and then we have another black that goes from this wire loop that has the two whites on it, that has a black coming off of it at the clip, goes to A. So take that one off. Then there's one more black back here, back in the corner. There we go. Right there. It's a black smaller one that just loops in from the wire loop. We'll take that off. Got that. Alright, so that looks like it for over there. And the last one is going to be this big rail across the front. Kind of teeter it back a little bit. Bolts don't want to cooperate. Okay, so there's the corrosion. You can see, get this clip, or maybe I can pull it out. Here, I'll pull it out a little more. These just slide out of here at an angle. Push the wiring back. Pick it up a little bit. Kind of pushing on this corner tab back here from the outside, pushing it in. The wiring will get in your way a little bit, so you're going to want to push up on it. Just trying to get a better grab on this so I can pull this clip. Alright, like apply pressure somewhere on this. Kind of pull up. Like that. Starts to come up. You can push these tabs over just a little bit like that. It'll just help weaken them. Same with this one. And once you get it coming, you see how it's coming. There we go. Now we got the board loose. All the wiring's off. So now we're going to pull this out. Up and out of that channel. You don't want to push back on these wires some like this as you do it, because they're going to be in your way. And once you push back on the wires and pull up, you're going to start to be able to remove the board from the bottom, like so. And you can just let that hang. And now you have the board out. And I'm going to see what we see. Alright. This is what I'm looking at. Whoops. Let me flip this. This is what I found. Alright, so I'm going to flip it over and inspect the back. And I see there's pretty decent that way. But then we come to this side and we have rust combined in these channels. Over here it looks like maybe some condensation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean this up with 91% alcohol rub and clean off the rust and everything, because it could be making a contact causing the error. And then once I'm done doing that, I will get back with you guys. If you need any other information, this is a Bryant Plus 90T. Thanks for watching.